In addition to our RKS, WSP, and RK series of systems, we have now developed two systems for very small quantities. Like our WSP series, these are space-saving front loaders, based on the technology of the past, but in a new guise. This means that to empty this version of the system, we tip the entire container. To ensure workplace safety, the hinged lid is divided into two segments. Before emptying, the front lid segment is opened and locked into place. Depending on the model, the container is then positioned manually or with a linear unit. Emptying takes place while the agitator is running and can be monitored through the sight glass. Once emptying is complete, the container is moved to a convenient position for the operator. A linear unit allows for stepless positioning. With the manual version, the positioning is predetermined by a grid pattern. However, due to the variable adjustment options, we generally recommend the linear unit option. If you have forgotten to switch off the agitator after emptying, it will now be deactivated at the latest when the main lid, secured by the limit switch, is opened. Now the remaining product is removed and the inside of the container is cleaned. As always, the hygienic aspect, i.e., good accessibility, as well as optimal maintenance conditions, played a central role in the design of these systems. Accordingly, our scraper with quick change system are also used here. The technical specifications at a glance. Technical drawings with further details can be found on the homepage of our website. We hope we've come a little closer to our goal, bakery technology for all sizes. Regardless of which system version you're interested in, we'd be happy to advise you, including a 3D presentation via Zoom or Teams. We look forward to your inquiries. Your team at MBComponents.